In this video, I'll show you how you can add a video on your WordPress website. So please don't pay attention to this website, it's just a random page, but I'll show you how you can add a video on your WordPress website with the WordPress editor, okay? So for this, you don't need any extensions or other widgets. So you want to go to that page or website and click on the plus icon right here, add block. Next up, you can type in video, and you'll then find the video block. So you want to click on video, and then next up you can choose to upload a video. You can choose a video from your media library, so you can choose a video that you've previously used on your website if you have, and you can insert from a URL. So let's say that you want to embed a YouTube video. You can then copy the URL link and paste it in there. I'm just going to click on upload, and I'm going to choose a video in my gallery on my PC. We'll just go with this one right here. It's a random clip. I'm going to click on open, and there you go. It's that easy, okay? So there's no need to drag this video out any longer. That's how you can do this. If this video helps you out, please consider leaving a like. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.